by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy.
3、2、1，上哪？哎呦！好，可以。
我们现在应该是已经搜索到了这个 GPS 的信号，但是它离我们异常的近。
近吗？我觉得青浦区还算可以。
稍微空一点的地方，这附近像有的样子吗？
你可以喊在吗？
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want.
进入重复收费站。
Here come bad news talking this and that.
你好，是来做那个盒子的是吧？那您家在哪个方向啊？
我们家在哪儿地方？
您家离这儿远吗？
我肯定离不远。
哦，你配吧，你不
对，
配不下我捡到的。
周英杰就捡起来就好了。
捡到了，我们看了你这上面一个字啊。我就想这样把它拿回来了，我说用两只手想这样把它拿回来了。
好的，非常感谢。
Clap like that's what you want.